Hi guys, so one of the questions that I'm often asked is, hey, why don't you start a signal service, Forex signal service? Hey, why don't you offer signal services? Unfortunately, for now, it's something that I've not yet considered because the market is so saturated. I think there are many people that are offering that service that you can actually go out there and you find free Forex signals and free profitable Forex signals. I think in the previous video, I once showed you how you can actually go through Telegram and find free Forex signals. So in this video, I'm again just going to show you how you can also find free Forex signals and actually make money. And you do not need me. You don't need to pay me anything. You don't need to give me money. Everything that I do on this channel is to give free tips, free education. Everything I give out is for free. So there's for me no need to start a signal service where you guys start paying me and stuff like that. No, I don't need your cash. Everything that I do here, I do for free. So how do you get more free profitable Forex signals? That's where it brings us to here. TradingView. TradingView is a magnificent chatting platform. It's a magnificent chatting platform, but most people use it just for that. Basically, as a chatting platform. What some people don't realize is you can actually use this as your free signal service. Of course, nothing is guaranteed. That's why I always recommend that you find an account where you can deposit maybe $5. For example, with my broker, you can deposit a minimum of $5. The link is in the description box below. Just click on the link and sign up. You deposit your $5 and you come here and you start getting those signals and you test them out. If you lose that $5, it's only $5. I'm one person who is against trading demo because I feel with demo trading you don't get that psychology part of trading. You are not trained with the emotions, how to handle your emotions when you are losing money, when you are winning. That's why I recommend you find these small accounts. You find a small account. My broker link is in the description box below. You can deposit as low as $5 and then you can trade a real account. You can then train yourself on the emotions of losing, on the emotions of winning and stuff like that. But getting back to the free Forex signals. So the trick is coming to TradingView. And for example, this is gold. This is gold versus the US dollar. You see here, we have a section of ideas. And there it says focus, and ideas. So what we have here are various traders. Some of them experienced, some of them at pro level, some of them good, some of them not so good, but you then have to do your due diligence. So some of them, for example, you see premium, they are premium members at TradingView, but again, caution, it doesn't automatically mean that that person is a guru. It doesn't mean that that person has got a fancy eyeball on the forex markets that you should trust them 100%. No. As with everything in trading, nothing is 100% guaranteed. Always remember that nothing in trading is 100% guaranteed. But when you come to this section of ideas where we have all this pool, this massive pool of people who are experienced, some of them profitable, some of them not so profitable, but everyone pulling their ideas in this section, you actually can find some good trading ideas. There somebody is shorting gold, is saying we should short gold on the 1 hour. Somebody is saying we should buy gold on the daily, and it goes on. Somebody with their analysis for 3 days, they are longing gold. Somebody is shorting gold on the 1 day, they are using harmonics. uh, you get a lot of ideas, you get a lot of trading ideas from this section, and it happens with every currency. I just picked gold because it's one of my favorite pairs. So what you want to do, first of all, the first approach is go through this section and get an idea of how many people are selling, are proposing that we sell gold. How many people are proposing that we buy gold? And you are looking at the time frames. Of course, you don't want to compare somebody who has posted analysis on the 1 hour versus somebody who has posted the analysis on the daily or the 4 hourly. What you want to do is find everyone who is posting on the 4 hourly and just judge by the ratio. How many people out of those people is saying we should sell? How many people out of those people are saying we should buy? And maybe get an idea from that probably if 90%, if 90%, 80% is saying we should short the currency, then there are probably chances that the currency is going to go down, because what we have here are people trading various strategies. Some are trading moving averages and what looks like supply and demand. Somebody has got, I think that's an RSI, and this is harmonics. Somebody has got Fibonacci. Somebody has what looks like supply and demand, support and resistance there, and there's a trend line there. So what we have here is a pool of various strategies. You see, we have a pool of various strategies, and people are using various approaches to the market. And if you find people that are using Elliott waves, so you find people that are using these various approaches to their charts, and they still come to the same conclusion. They still come to the same conclusion that a pair is going to go down or it's going to go up. Then probably there are chances that the pair is going to go down or it's going to go up. So that's the first approach. The second approach is then that you start finding some of these people, test their signals. Test their signals. Let's say we pick this guy, Sun FX. I don't know who he is, but if you happen to bump into him, tell him I featured him on my channel. There is his analysis. Let's say with your $5 account that you opened, you test some of his signals, and they actually 80%, 75%, 90% of the time is spot on. Then definitely you want to follow this guy. You want to follow him because his signals are what? Are profitable. So you want to follow him, and you go back and you do the same thing. You find another person, Focus City World premium member. We go to their section, and you test their signals with that $5 account, and you find that 75%, 80% of the time their signals are correct. It means you also add them to your list. You find another person, Digram is a premium member. You go through their signals, and probably you find that their signals are 75%, 80%, 95% correct, and you add them to your list. At the end of the day, you probably have 5 people or 10 people that are following on TradingView that you know have got 75%, 85% guaranteed signals. What does that mean? If you do not have time to analyze your own charts, or if you do not have money to pay for signals, you can simply use these people's signals. What you do need, you don't need 100 signals a day. I think people make that mistake. You don't need 1,000 signals a day to make money in trading. You only need probably one or two good trades a day to make money. I think I need to make a video and talk about that. You don't need thousands of signals a day in order to make money in trading. You just need quality. You need quality. Don't chase quantity. So with this approach, let's say you happen to find 5 people who offer you quality signals. You have quality signals, a quality signal a day, or 2 signal or 3 signals a day. That's all that you need. You don't need to pay anybody for signals. You don't need to give anybody your signals to pay anybody for signals. And the good thing about this also is, for example, let's go into this guy's chart, this particular chart. You can see how he is trading. Support, resistance. Definitely the way he trades includes support and resistance, or supply and demand. He also has channels there, and he's got the trend lines there. You begin, if this person gives you highly successful signals, you probably also want to look into either from the money that you made from their free signals, either you join their course. I'm against you buying signals. I'm against buying signals because you don't learn anything. What I would propose is, if this guy gives you signals that make you money, then definitely maybe take some of that money and actually buy their course. Or if you still don't want to give them money, you can still go through their charts like I'm doing here, and to get an idea of how they trade. As long if you follow them for quite some time, you begin to get an idea of how they are doing it. Of course, you are not going to do this overnight. Of course, it's not going to happen over time. It's going to take some time dedication on your part. So by watching how they display it on their charts and their reasoning on their charts, you start getting an idea of, why are they saying we should buy? Why are they saying we should sell? And if their trading style suits your trading style, then definitely you learn something. And from here, you will no longer need their free signals. You can simply go and do the same kind of analysis that you learned from this person. So that's a way to get free forex signals. Previous video I said you can simply do this approach on Telegram as well. Another approach is same deal. You can simply go and do this on Instagram. There are many traders who are posting their signals also on Instagram. Kind of same approach. Just go through their signals. If they trade the way that you love, just go through how they are trading and how they are doing it. And if you find their signals profitable, follow them and start trying to understand how they are doing it. So I hope I have helped somebody, and I have given you some pointers on how you can actually make money in forex with free forex signals. You don't necessarily need to pay anybody. By the way, you also don't need to pay for indicators, books, forex robots, and stuff like that. There are links in the description box below. Visit those blogs and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. Otherwise, subscribe for future videos, and like this video just to motivate me. Until next time, bye.